how to save InShot Draft video in your gallery. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save InShot Draft video in your gallery. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we'll head over to our InShot app over here, and once you are here, if you have the draft video, you can simply tap on video option and all the draft videos will pop up over here. Now, once you click on the three dots located on the side of the video, you will see an option that says delete, copy and rename. As you can see, there is no option to save the video, but don't worry, you can do this by simply tapping on the video. Now, once you are here, you can see the little share icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on that. From here, you can see the save option. Now, you can go ahead and choose the resolution that you want. You can keep it to 480p, 720p, 1080p, 2K, 4K, anything. Then you can choose your frame rate over here, and then you can even choose the format. And once you have done, you need to simply go ahead and tap on save. And as you can see that your video is now being saved to your gallery. In order to check, head over to your gallery and this is the video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.